Hey everyone, want to analyze meeting notes in NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to organize meeting information, find important details, and create useful summaries step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. Next, collect your meeting notes, transcripts, documents, or summaries that you want to analyze. Now upload your meeting materials into NotebookLM. You can add text files, Google Docs, PDFs, or other supported sources containing your meeting information. Once your files are uploaded, wait for NotebookLM to process and understand the content. Next, ask NotebookLM to create a summary of the meeting. You can request key discussion points, important decisions, and major takeaways. Ask specific questions to identify action items, assign tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities mentioned during the meeting. Next, use NotebookLM to organize information into structured formats, such as meeting summaries, task lists, follow-up notes, or project updates. You can also ask NotebookLM to identify important topics, recurring issues, unanswered questions, and areas that need further discussion. Review the generated responses and check the source references to confirm the information comes from your original meeting notes. Finally, use the organized insights to improve team communication, track progress, and prepare for future meetings. And that's how to analyze meeting notes in NotebookLM. By turning your meeting documents into an AI-powered knowledge source, you can save time, find important information quickly, and keep projects organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.